Our students have the links to their journals and now they are working on their journals. So now what? How do we find those? Well, if you go into SharePoint and you click on the square of squares, you will see your apps. You will find OneDrive right there. If you open up OneDrive, you will see all of the files that you have shared, not only shared, but are in OneDrive. So I do have a folder where I started saving all of my journals, but I do have a few original ones that were not in that folder, and I have not moved those just yet. I can see which ones have been edited by someone outside of me. So we have these that have been edited by a guest contributor. So I know that a student has written in these. So let's take a look at one. We're going to take a look at Connor's. I was the last one that modified this, but I modified this. So I want to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I've clicked on Connor's. And Connor has been in here working, and I can see just by quickly looking down the side that I can see he's filled in some pages, and we can see that he's done another one. I can go to one of those pages. I can add a note to the page. I've added a little sticky note and a comment for him. So he knows I'm in there and I'm looking at them. We could see his favorite TV show, YouTube. So I can make comments to the students, letting them know that I see what they're writing on. I can see what they're working on. Let them know pizza's my favorite too. Let them know when I like something. I like their topic sentence or their conclusion sentence. Remember, we're trying to encourage them to keep working. So if you have a chance to put a note in, great. I know they would love to see a note from you. Otherwise, we have a lot of information on the students. You can open this into PowerPoint. So if you have problems with the PowerPoint online, you can go ahead and open this in PowerPoint. You click on Open in PowerPoint. Okay, so Connor has opened his. I can see that the guest contributor have made changes, and we can see those changes here by the symbols. So I can also here open it up, make comments if I want to make a comment, so I can see just what he has done since I've last opened this up. If I click on these, you can see our little symbols disappear. I find it quicker just to do it in the online, but if yours is delayed, this is definitely an easy way. Once you have made a comment, make sure you press this Save button that has the little arrow. That's going to sync this document with the one that is online. It will also sync any changes. So if Connor is currently in his, I will see a little symbol over here to the side showing me what page he's on. And if I press the sync, then I will see the changes that he has made. So that's a quick, easy way for you to see what your student has done, for you to make comments if you would like, and to save information on our students.